Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile in this cup. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 Range Rover Evoque. First of all, just turn that fan down a little bit so you can hear me. Then we go over to settings, we go over to Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth's on. Then we're watching out at the bottom. You'll see here phone. Now, that's the main menu, but you can also go to phone down here. Let's see, where's the home? That's the home, the house thing there. I'll just go into something else, navigation. So if we want to go back, you go to home like that, or again navigation. We can just go directly to phone. Bluetooth pair, use your device to search for Range Rover Evoque. So it's in pairing mode at the moment, although it's not come up. It must be starting to rain. Right, Range Rover Evoque, it's come up. Click on there, Range Rover Evoque. Verify these numbers match the display on Barry's iPhone 13 Pro 259377. Well, it does, so click pair, and it does, so click yes. Allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow, and it's connecting my phone here. Barry's iPhone 13 Pro is connected. And then if we find here Range Rover, that's the one connected there. That's it, that's how you do it.